debate, and we are supporting that physical classes. So our group name is Education Savers. So my first point is that I think we are thinking that physical education is more beneficial than online education, because in physical education we get a lot of troubles, but in the physical education we get very few troubles and very few problems as compared to online classes. In online classes there are a lot of troubles, there are a lot of problems, like in online classes we getting trouble in network issues, and mostly in the network issue, and also in the we also see that in physical education we get more concentration on our lecture, on our topics, but in the online classes we are not concentrate on our education, on our topics, because there are lot of functions in our mobile phone, in our laptop, in our any type of gadget which we are using for the online classes, because there are a lot of features like Facebook, WhatsApp, TikTok, PUBG, games, and many more apps for disconnect to us from our education. And also we know that, and we believe that our country is very poor, a very poor country. In our country there are many poor peoples. They can't afford these type of gadgets for the online education, because we are a poor country, and we can't afford these cell phones for the online education, these network for the online education. So we are thinking that so that's why we are thinking that physical education is more good for the students. For the students, and as means as compared to physical education in the online.
So hello, it's me Aram. I am today we are here for the group debate, and I support that physical classes is better than online classes. Firstly, I want to tell you that physical classes is better than online classes. In physical classes, we talk with our teacher, we ask question with our teachers easily. But in online classes, we can't get the answer of our question we can't get the answer of our question easily. There are many problems you all know, like network problem, volume problem, and many more problems. I have question from my opponents online classes that here you come, this is a physical classes, here you come, there is a physical classes, not online classes. In online classes we can't understand anything very well. There are as you know that there, because of many problems, the poor persons buy the cell phone to their childs for the online classes. But what our children are doing, they only using TikToks, they make TikToks, they use YouTube, Google, they use YouTube and many more apps. It means they spoil their education. Physical classes shows that we are a student, not online classes. In online classes we stay at everywhere, we stay at one place, we can't understand the topic and all that. In physical classes, teacher give us good intention. In online classes, for example, one student we can't understand the topic, and he asks a question to teacher, but teacher can't give the answer of this question. It means that online classes spoils our education. Physical.
Hello, it's our group debate, and the group name is Education Saver, and our topic is physical classes. So physical classes are more better than online classes, because in physical classes our mind remain fresh, and we learn all things. In online education, our mind remain confused and disturbed. We cannot understand all the things what are the teachers are saying. In the physical classes, teacher check our ability, or we are concentrating to him or not. Teacher can check our creative mind, that we are taking a lecture or not. We remain in classes present. And in the online classes, we cannot take the online classes clearly because of the net issue, and screen doesn't comes clear. That's why students these problems comes. And in the physical classes, we can interconnect with our teachers. We remain in the sight of our teacher. Teacher told us all these things. We listen these things clearly. And in online classes, the teacher and students are seeing a movie, and the teacher are teaching all these topics to the student doesn't clear these topics, and their mind remain confused on that thing. And these all subjects are all gone as like students who's in contemplating all these things as an empty mind, means we are telling all these things to an uneducated person. Like we means advise the uneducated person, like these things all goes in online classes. Students do not and teachers in online class, teacher cannot check the students homework. In physical classes, teachers check their students homework, and they do their homeworks, and they remain busy in their homeworks and do their study in physical classes. And online classes, teacher doesn't if teacher gives the homework to the students, then students cannot do their homeworks in the online classes, because the student thinks that teacher will not check our homework, and why we do our homeworks. And all these.
So hello guys, today's our debate topic is physical classes. Physical classes is more better than the online classes, because in online classes students operate mobile phone and chat their friends, and then do not attend their online classes properly. In the physical classes, students mind become creative and sensible. In the physical classes, teacher and student both pay attention, rather than the online classes. In the online classes, do not discipline, rather than the physical classes. In online classes, student become lazy and irresponsible. Physical classes is prove the study of students spoil their study to using mobile phone.
My name is Manur, and my general debate topic is physical classes. And I want to tell you, physical classes is more better than the online classes. And physical classes, students do a discipline, and rather than the online classes. And the online classes is online classes, and I ask the question to the teacher, and the teacher do not respond respond their question. And I ask the question in the physical classes, and teacher responds him, and teacher and physical classes is and teacher concerned him that why are you doing here. And I say I am listen carefully what do you say in the lecture. And the physical classes is physical classes is better than the online classes. Online classes many problems, such as network, screen don't clear screen, and other things. And physical classes don't problems, and online classes are the
good try girl, good try. physical class is better than the online classes. We know the poor people's poor students are also intelligent, but they have no money for buy a cell phone or the for a package network package and join the online classes, and they have. In the poor, the rich people who have cell phone, but they are also misuse for mobile cell phone. They says that is boring. The online classes is boring. The teachers are can't check the homeworks, and that is boring. And they use the YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok like that. In the physical classes, the teacher is as the everyone students are deliver their debate or any presentation, so teachers is also sees watch their abilities and give more knowledge about it, and they are we in the physical class we have also concept is clear. In the online class we have no the teacher is also not response is clearly and that and we have